Welcome to my video on even and odd numbers. What I want to show in this video is I'm going to take some pennies and I'm going to separate them out by even and odd and show the difference. But first of all, an even number is a number that can be divided by 2 with 0 remainder. An odd number is a number that when it's divided by 2 has a remainder of 1. So that's going to be a criteria by sorting these pennies. So first of all, let's start with 1 penny. You can't divide it by 2, so I'm going to put the odd ones over here in this column on the left. Let's go to number 2. 2 is divisible by 2, so I'm going to put this in the even column over here. Odd and even, it is divisible by 2 with 0 remainder. Now let's look at 3. 1, 2, 3. We arrange 3, so we can divide it into a pair of 2 with a 1 remainder, so it goes in the odd column. Because it's a pair of 2s and then 1 remainder. Now let's look at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can arrange this 2 pairs of 2, so it's an even number. Let's put in the even number column. Let's pick out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put this as a pair of 2, a pair of 2s, and a 1 remainder. So let's put it over here. So there's our little 1 remainder oddball sticking out. There's 5. Now let's look at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put these down, make our pairs of 2, see if we have a remainder. We don't have a remainder. Okay, so it looks like it's going to go over here in the even column. So 2, 4, 6. Now let's go to number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make our pairs of 2. 2, 4, 6, 7. This looks like it's going to be a remainder 1, so that makes it an odd number. So 2. Put it over here in the odd number pile. Now our last number is number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put them in our piles of 2. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and no remainder. So that's going to be an even number. So this goes in our even number category over here. So I'm hoping this shows you a little bit of the difference between an even and odd number. Odd numbers, when divided by 2, have a 1 remainder. Even numbers, when divided into pairs of 2, have no remainder. Hope you got a little of this out of this video and learned about even and odd numbers, and thank you for watching.